Hey, this is Jennifer, and today I'm super excited to bring you your first Learn Belly Dance at Home workout. So this is going to be super fun. We're going to start with just a quick warm-up just to get the body warmed up and moving and the blood flowing, and then I'm going to show you a few simple movements that are perfect for total beginner belly dance students. And then at the end, we're going to just literally shimmy away our stress, and you're going to end feeling amazing. If you want to learn more about how to get started learning belly dance at home, then be sure to click the link in the description to get your Learn Belly Dance at Home starter kit that's packed with all kinds of goodies. All right, let's get started. Let's get started. Let's take a nice deep breath in, breathing in and out, and really breathe in and get a nice stretch, and breathe out. Last time, breathing in. Good, let's reach side to side and reach. So we're really warming up our obliques here, warming up our side, because we're gonna use that a lot today, as we do in belly dance all the time. Really pulling up from the top of your head, nice posture, shoulders down and back. Let's take it side. Nice and tall, feel like a dancer. Good. Let's take it down and reach. Again, this is great for the obliques here. Good core strengthener. Really get that hourglass shape. Reach. But don't collapse in your upper body. Stay nice and lifted. Down. Good. All right. Let's reach. Just kind of create a little bit of a wave movement with the arm. We call this a snake arm. Warming up those arms. We use the shoulders and the arms a lot in belly dance. Good. All right, let's do a step touch and step, touch, step, touch, step. So just kind of finding your rhythm here. Now we're going to change this to a movement called a step hip. Hip, step, hip. So every time we tap this foot, the hip is going to go up. Step, hip. So this hip, as you can see from the side, it has a little bit of an up and a forward movement. So it's a little bit of a twist feeling here. Step, hip, hip. And if you want to get fancy, you can add some arms. Good. All right, let's take our arms back out. Let's walk it forward. 2, 3, 4, and back. 4, 3, 2, 1, and forward. 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. 3, 2, good, nice. Let's do some circles. So we're gonna just go in all 4 directions. Front, side, back, side. Try to make this circle as big as you can. So make it really full. Front, side, back, side, front. So make sure you're getting some range of motion in the front and the back. Front, back. Good. Staying nice and tall in your upper body. Let's switch sides. Switch directions, front, side, back, side. Good, now we're gonna do a circle and basically a half, and then we're gonna tap. Circle and a half, tap. Circle and a half. Tap, circle and a half, tap. Circle and a half, circle, and I'll show you from the side. Circle and a half. Let's tempo. And circle and a half. Tap. Circle and a half. Circle and a half. Tap. You could travel with this too, with a step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Good, now we're gonna add one more movement here. Let's do a hip drop. So I want you to put all your weight on your standing leg. I want you to tuck your tailbone under, pull your belly button into your spine, lift in your upper body, and squeeze right here on the imaginary seam line of your shirt. Lift, drop, lift, drop. So you're really pulling your hip into your rib cage. Pretend like your hip is kissing your rib cage. And mwah, and down, mwah, down, up, down, up, and try to stay stable so your body doesn't move up and down. Good, and let's drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, let's switch sides, nice and slow. Get that bend in the knee, that's super, super important for having room for this hip to move. Tuck under, lifting, and slow. And lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, and double time, and drop, drop, drop. So I'm gonna show you how all this is gonna come together magically. Okay, so step, touch, step, touch. We're gonna add our hip. We're gonna do 8 counts of a step hip, 4 counts of the hip circles, and 4 counts of the hip drop. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, circles, and drop. Step hip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, 4, circle, and drop. All right, I'm gonna face the same direction as you, starting with the step hips. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, circles, and drop. Step hip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, 4, circle. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, step hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, 4, circle. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, 4, step hip. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, 4, circle, and drop. Step hip. Circles, and drop. Circles, and drop. Step hip. Circles, and drop. Circles, and drop. Just a couple more times. 2. Circles, and drop. Circles, and drop. Step hip. Circles, drop. Circles, and drop. So if you want, just go ahead and just practice that multiple times. Just can maybe kind of back it up a few minutes and just work through that. And you'll see every time you do it, it's gonna come so much easier. But those are some great beginner movements. Let's shimmy it out. So an Egyptian shimmy comes from the knees, just going back and forth. So you never wanna fully extend your knee, but the movement is coming from the knees, going back, 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 back. And let your hips relax. Let your whole upper body relax. And you really wanna feel like you're just literally shimming your stress away. Just let it all go. Nice deep breaths. This is a great little break to take when you've been sitting at your desk all day. Just take 5 minutes to just practice your step hip, your hip circles, your hip drops, to shimmy away your stress. Take a shimmy stress break. Good. Take a nice deep breath, breathing it in and out. One last time, breathe it in. And really thank and honor yourself for taking time to incorporate some movement into your day. Be sure to grab my Learn Belly Dance at Home starter kit. I know you're gonna love it. Just click the link below and I'll see you in the next video.